Hello, thanks for watching. I got many requests to introduce how to make face mask in English, so I'd like to show you how. I hope you will find it be useful. At the end of this video, I will also show you the kid size and junior size pattern. The finished size is about 3.5 inches long and 7 inches wide. The mask is pleated and has nose wire, so it is adjustable as your face shape. Please prepare 1 double gauze fabric, 1 gauze handkerchief, and some elastic rubber strips for the mask. I like gauze fabric the best since it is very comfortable. But linen, organic cotton, and flannels are also good. It is hygienically better to use white fabrics for the part your nose and mouth would touch directly. Remove the nose wire from the mask that you can purchase in stores. If you don't have the nose wire, it is okay without it. This is a pattern. Cut the fabric into these sizes, 1 each for the front fabric and the back fabric. 2 cut fabrics in total. After that, cut 2 inches shorter the width of the back fabric. Put the back fabric on the front fabric face to face, as matching the center lines of each fabric. Sew the top and bottom edges together. And turn it right side out. Press with an iron to fix the shape. After that, stitch the top and bottom edges of the fabrics, like this. Then, put the nose wire through. After placing the nose wire at the center of the mask, stitch both sides to make it stable. Next, mark on the fabric to make pleats. Then, draw 4 lines. Fold the fabric into the mountain fold and the valley fold, like accordion. Then, press with an iron to fix the shape. And sew both side edge to fix the pleats. Fold the fabric from the edge twice. Press the fabric lightly with an iron again. Stitch both sides for elastic rubber strips. Prepare 2 elastic rubber strips that are cut to 11 inches. Put through the elastic rubber strips. and tie both ends of them together. And move the tied knot into the side of the mask. And it's all done! This is the kids size pattern and junior size pattern. The way of making is same as you have just seen on the video. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos. Bye.